Hello guys. So welcome back to my channel, and today I'm taking the second session, and the topic of today's session is design thinking process. So before going to this discussion, we will firstly try to understand the design thinking process क्या होता है. जब भी आप कोई प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट के बारे में बात करते हो, यू हैव बीन असाइंड एज ए डिजाइनर, तो यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट द होल प्रोसेस ऑफ डिजाइन थिंकिंग, जिससे आप एक पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन स्टेटमेंट पे आते हो. सो व्हाट ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर necessary in order to complete working on a solution project. You have been assigned with a problem statement, you will be working on the solution statement of it. So we basically follow ADIPT method, where we understand, we empathize first of all. Okay, we empathize with the user, we empathize with business, we empathize with someone who is facing this pain point. Okay, then the second stage comes where we talk about defining state talks about understanding the user psychology, doing the empathy mapping, affinity mapping, creating a persona, and then empathizing with it. Okay, then we come to the ideation. In the ideation phase, we come up to a how might be solution, and we come up with a solution out of it. It is not the concrete solution, but this is the solution on which we can try and test with the user. So after coming up with the how might we statement, we create solution statement out of it, and then we start working on the low fidelity wireframe. And once we have created the low fidelity wireframe, then we start testing with the user. And obviously there are multiple of iterations in the low fidelity wireframe, and whatever changes are required, we implement it in the low fidelity wireframe itself. ऑब्वियसली इसमें बहुत सारे आइट्रेशंस होते हैं डिज़ाइन की. आई मीन टू से द बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट इज डिफरेंट and the user's requirement may be different, so you need to bridge the gap between the business and the user's pain point. Okay, so once the low fidelity wireframe is completed after multiple iterations, okay, जब ये हो जाता है, then we come up to the high fidelity wireframe. Okay, then we come to the design phase. और उसके बाद जब हम डिज़ाइन शुरू करते हैं, then we start talking about uh, creating the design system, design library, what all are the cards and maps it needs to be implemented with. जब डिज़ाइन लाइब्रेरी सेट हो जाती है, उसके बाद फिर हम आते हैं, रेडी हो जाती है तो फिर हम आते हैं मूड बोर्ड पे. मूड बोर्ड क्या करता है, बेसिकली इट डिफाइंस एंड इट गिव्स a base about the look and feel of the brand which is going to come up through the app. We have already discussed UI is a part of UX. So जब तक UI हमारा sorted नहीं होगा, clean नहीं होगा, minimal नहीं होगा, and it will basically solve the problem of the user, this is not going to be functional for the user per se. तो UI डिज़ाइन काफ़ी मिनिमल होना चाहिए, है ना. तो उस बेसिस पे हम पूरी की पूरी डिज़ाइन लाइब्रेरी और डिज़ाइन सिस्टम बनाते हैं, और डिज़ाइन सिस्टम बनाने के बाद then we come to the design phase. Once the design is complete, then again we test with the user, and if there are any other iterations required, then we further iterate and reiterate it. अब इतने आइट्रेशन रीआइट्रेशन के बाद जब चीजें निकल के आती है, तो इट इज समवेयर क्लोज टू द यूजर्स सॉल्यूशन स्टेटमेंट. I won't say this is the perfect solution, but yes, I can say this is the nearby solution, or almost the solution of the pain point which the user is facing. Then we start coordinating with the developer. फिर हम उसे प्रायोरिटी वाइज टास्क देते हैं, फिर उसके बाद फिर टास्क एग्जीक्यूट कराते हैं. देन इट गोज टू द MVP मोड, जहाँ पे हम क्रिएट करते हैं अपना. Suppose in solution statement we have come up with multiple features, but obviously the time frame is limited. Okay, and we need to test that solution statement as fast as possible, so that we get the data, and on the basis of the data we make the further iteration. जब MVP live होती है तो फिर we come up with second iteration and henceforth ये product हमारा evolve होता है. Okay, so I think this is it for today's session, and in the next session we will cover some other topic. Keep learning. Till then, keep learning. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Follow me to support my channel. Thank you so much.